This is the Pop Century where we're staying, and it's room 1334. And we're gonna see how they've renovated the rooms. This is inside the room. You've got like a double set of curtains, so this keeps the sun out, and then they've got these really heavy curtains that would keep the heat out. And then there's outlets over here. This is the king size bed with the Murphy bed, and it pulls down out of the wall right there. We can show you later how easy that pulls out. There's the 2 chairs that go with it. There's the king size bed, and on this side, they have all of these outlets right here. This turns on the picture of Mickey. There's how big the TV is, and there's the ice bucket, refrigerator. There's a drawer here with coffee creamer, coffee maker is right here. It's a Cuisinart. There's the where you can turn the air down. And then this is just shelves. Oh, there's a Bible. There's a safe down in here. And then there's 3 drawers here. And there's more outlets right there. And there are 2 sets, 1 on each side. There's a place to hang your coats or swimsuits. And there's the bathroom. And in here in the bathroom, there's a dryer and iron, hair dryer and an iron. There's a full-size ironing board. And then there's more shelving. There's a makeup mirror with a magnifying glass. And then there's a tiny little closet. And before, they didn't even have a closet. And then they raised the bed up off the floor, and then you can slide the suitcases underneath the bed. And this is the toilet and the shower. You do get a bathtub, which is good for families with kids. You get shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which essentially is the same as soap. And then they have the extender rain shower right there for the shower. And then they also have one that you can take down off of it to like help wash little kids with if they don't want to take a bath. And there's the towel holder, very simple toilet, and toilet paper. And then we've got a total of 5 waste baskets. And then the way the door works, let me show you. Shut it like this, and then fasten it. So it just slides open and slides closed. Okay, and that's the room tour.
And we're going to show you now how to make the bed out in this room. It starts out as a table, then you pull down on the handles. Table folds under.
Wow.
Bed folds down. It's all set. Really cool.
Light up there.
Yeah, it's really neat. Easy to do. So.
Pretty cool, and it's queen size.
Yeah, so it's good size.
Just as big as ours.
Yeah. And it's easy to fold back up too. So.
Yay!
Yay! We love it.